I love dip buying morning panics when a stock is down 20, 30, 40, 50% in a few minutes, but it also can be scary. Sometimes you're just trying to catch a falling knife. In finance terms, your account gets very bloody. I don't want to just dip buy saying this has to be the bottom. And if I'm wrong, I don't keep averaging down trying to catch the bottom. For me, I have very specific stocks that I look at. I like multi-day runners, multi-week runners, because then if it dips very quickly, especially in a morning panic with stop losses going off, with momentum buyers losing faith, I like to look for a very specific setup. That's when I try to dip buy, usually when it's down 20, 30, 40%. I never know exactly where the bottom is. I let the market tell me. Then when there's either technical support or a lot of buyers on the bid, that's when I inch in. But I never think that I'm 100% dead on, because it can always go down. Be careful, but learn to be meticulous, and you can dip buy morning panics.